Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, select the settings option and then press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down or up, find the system option, and once you find it, select it and press start button. Then scroll down, find the time option, select it and press the start button. Here, scroll down, select the set time option. If it's set to auto, you need to change it to manual, so press start, select manual, press start. Then you can scroll down, select time, press start, and here we can change the time to our liking. So change the hour, then press start, change the minutes, press start, and then press start again to confirm. You can also change the time format if you want to by selecting time format and select the format you like. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.